Alright, so here we go. YZ250 Yamaha 1994. Need to paint it back to factory purple. Sandblasting's been done. The primer's been applied. So I've got this spray bottle here. This is already mixed, which is 8 parts paint, 1 part hardener, 2 parts reducer. The first frame, this one that I painted, I forgot the hardener, so I had to sandblast it down, start over. But the idea is with these, I've got more canisters of air, so I can just go through and start painting this stuff. Hopefully, that's the plan. It's a little bit tricky to get used to this can, but that's what we're gonna do. There you have it. Beautiful. It's gonna take a while. I got 4 hours before this stuff hardens in the can, so I need to get off of here and get it done. There you have it. More videos hopefully to come soon.